So guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whichever time you are watching Missy Jaylo from. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Missy Jaylo. And today I'm coming live from Maasai Land. Okay, when I talk of Maasai Land, in Kenya we have 47 counties and we have Maasai Land, you see? And now I want to see Maasai culture. Maasai, they have a unique culture whereby I'm going to show you what they normally do with the cows, with the goats. They have so many cows and so many goats. So guys, are you ready for this? Let me know from the comment section. Now I want to take you around. We put this. Okay. Yeah, so guys, we are in Maasai Land. Just guess where I'm coming live from. And these are sheep. Maasai sheep ni kidogo kuliko mbuzi. Sheep ni kidogo kuliko mbuzi, eh? Oh, okay. So I understand more are coming, guys. And now we want to go and let me show you guys about the goats. They have so many of these. Guys, I'm in Maasai Land right now. See? Oh, these are cows. Oh, these are cows for Maasai. You see? Can Missy Jaylo enter inside here? Guess yes or no. Eh? We'll try and see. Mama umeanza? Eh? So, and these are the goats now. Eh? Goats are so many. Goats are so many. These are goats. So these are the goats. You see? I'm inside the yard. Now I want to go and see how they milk at this time. It's around evening time. Tupita wapi? Kai. Ngoja. Guys, I'm telling her to wait for me because, guy, my God, I'm inside the yard. And now we have a mom here. She's just onisiende karibu. Now she's milking here. You see, they are milking now. She's milking there. Now this is Maasai culture. These are the rest of the cows, guys. So guys, say by yourself. This is Maasai. Guys. So I think the other lady here, she also wants to. My God. I'm just scared. I'm in between all these cows and they are so naogopa. Hii inakaa inasumbua. This one is aggressive, guys. You have to be careful. Unatoka? Oh. I'm asking whether she's stepping outside. So guys, oh, this is Maasai. Nda. So these are our almond cows. This is where they normally put, guys. Today, guys, I have to go with so many liters of milk here. These are where the young ones live. Mother. Chukua hizi mbuzi sasa. So guys, all these are goats, I'm telling you. Eh? This is Maasai Land. You see these young ones? They just want to come outside. Relax. Hey. What? Hizi ndio zingine zilikuwa zinakuja. These are many now coming in. These are they normally come in the evening. So guys, watch the video from the start to the end. This is Maasai Land, and I'm showing you about Maasai culture here in Kenya, Africa. Now they are here waiting to be opened. Zinataka zifunguliwe. These are sheep. So guys, it's the evening time here. That's why I said I have to come and at least witness about Maasai culture, especially when they are milking cows and when they are cattle are just coming in the evening from grazing. You see, all these are sheep. All these. So guys, welcome to Maasai Land in Kenya. Guys, like this video please and subscribe to Missy J-Lo for more amazing videos. So now oh, kwa nini those are the young ones? Kwa nini umefungulia? Nilikuwa nimenini.
A few moments later.
So guys, I think it's a bit late at night. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to Missy J-Lo for more amazing videos. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming to watch my YouTube channel. This is Missy J-Lo from Kenya, Africa. See you in the next video and bye bye for now.